We're at 3108 Commodore Drive, and this is a property we just bought that we're going to be renovating and selling on the MLS. So first thing at this house we're going to do, we're going to be replacing the roof. We're going to be painting the fascia and soffit, replacing some of the parts that are rotten. We'll be cleaning the brick, pressure washing it, right? Get some of that paint off the brick, give it a new clean look. We'll pressure wash the sidewalks and the driveway. We are going to replace the garage here, put a new garage door. I like these lights, so we're going to refurbish these lights, put new bulbs in them, get them all working. As we walk inside the house, little things you'll do. You don't have to replace this, just paint it. Again, pressure washing the brick, it'll give it a new fresh look. We always like to put a brand new front door in. Why do we like to put a brand new front door? Because it's the first thing someone will touch when they come to the house. It's just like landscaping. We'll put a whole landscaping package out there. We want it to look clean and fresh. These hardwood floors, these are in really good shape, but got a couple spots. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some patchwork here. We're going to refinish these hardwood floors. Wood trim, unfortunately, is a little outdated. So what we're going to do, even though this trim's in really good shape, we'll be painting the trim, putting new light fixtures, paint on the wall, ceiling. As we walk into the kitchen, we're going to be tiling this kitchen floor, new appliances. These cabinets are in really good shape. They're hardwood cabinets. So we're going to refinish these cabinets, put new knobs on them, granite countertops, new sink, new faucet, new appliances. Look how old this oven is. It's a pretty old oven. We're going to be pulling that out. We're going to put a microwave and a stove. The fridge will go over here. Tile throughout the little laundry room here. You got your hot water heater we'll be replacing. This is a little odd area for the house. We're going to pull down this panel because there's drywall behind it. What we're going to do here, instead of tiling this whole area, we're going to do LVP in this room, right? That's luxury vinyl plank. We'll do a little bit of a different color, right? We'll paint this dining room a little bit of a different color to make it stand out from the house. The bathroom. We'll take a look at this bathroom. So, of course, this bathroom is outdated. As you can tell, it's kind of closed in. So we're going to knock down this wall right here and open up this whole bathroom. We'll put a new vanity, new light fixtures. We'll pull off this wall tile. We'll just tile around the shower and put a new tub in. This is the master. We'll put new ceiling fans in each bedroom, new outlets to give it that new look, right? Again, this bathroom, again, is another bathroom. If you walk in here, you're going to see that it is very outdated, especially with this pink and this sink. So what we're going to do here is we're going to, again, redo this whole bathroom. New tile floors, new surround, new tub, new toilet, new vanity, give it a new look. Bedrooms, of course, refinish all the hardwood, new outlets, new ceiling fans. Again, give it a very clean, fresh look. We're going to be putting a new AC in along with the new roof. Right? People love when they see new AC, new roof. It definitely helps sell a property. And I can't wait to show you guys the after video on this one.